know, but I think it may be raining. Just a tad. I think that little buddy there, just in the top sort of section of the screen, is producing all of the rain, I've decided. And actually, given the fact that it's right above us, I reckon that is. And again, there it is, just to the top of the screen. This is my windscreen wipers, so you can see quite how much it's raining. And it's a lot. An awful lot. Drip, drop, drip, little showers, it's in Trina, half the top. Those who are interested in storm chasing, to which I am, this could be quite a good potential or something. Maybe, maybe not. That is also the reason why I'm sat in the car, to which if it does turn into something, I'm all ready and raring to go, maybe. No, I'm not. I'm actually sat in the car because I picked up from the garage. But I do storm chase. I've just come across this lovely shower. It's really not that cloudy in here, or in general. I turned off the fan stupidly, thinking it would be clever, but apparently it wasn't all that clever. So hence it's a little bit misstuffy. And just in case you're interested, I have no one else in here. No one else in here. So yeah, it's just me. There's plenty of other cars in the car park. But just me in the car. starting to ease a little bit now. Lovely. And with that, I shall end the video with one last pan over to the wonderful cumulonimbus clouds just over to my left, and I wouldn't be able to tell you which direction it is, as in north, south, west, what have you, because unfortunately I've totally lost my bearings. I think it's southeast facing. Bear with me a second, I'll try and work out. Yeah, I've just checked it, and yes, it is southeast facing. I've got a little guide I've just checked, and it says southeast facing for the direction I'm facing now. That's pretty cool. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the video, and any comments are welcome. Take care, and please do feel free to watch any of my other videos. Thanks, goodbye.